Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable senders images in Proton Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to disable the sender's image in Proton Mail, firstly, you have to open the application. Now, after opening the application, you will see something like this. You just simply have to click into the All Settings option in the settings, and it will lead you to the settings of Proton Mail. Click into Messages and Composing from the settings. Now, after coming into here, you just simply have to scroll down to the bottom, and then you will get this Other Preferences setting. In here, you don't have to do much. You just simply have to tap into the toggle for Show Sender Images option. Just simply disable this toggle if it's open, then your sender images will be hidden successfully. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.